Hello, Opophiles! Today we're talking about Ferling Etude number 6, which is the fast one in G major. So this etude is in triple time, and it moves pretty quick. So be thinking about it in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 kind of motion. As always, start practicing it really slow and work it up as you keep the technique clean. You can practice different rhythms with it to help you kind of learn it slowly, so that when you go fast, you don't have to think so hard about every individual note. It's in 3 phrases, 3 big phrases, and it doesn't really have any tricks or anything, but something that could help is to really respect the triple beat versus the big 2 beat. So there is one measure, or actually 2 sections, where you do have this kind of accented over the slurs. The way to practice that is just by using your air to show where the important note is. So slowly, it sounds like this. So you want to practice just what the melody is. And showing that A sharp really leading to that B natural, so that when it goes fast, you still hear it. The same thing can be applied to measure 41 later in Etude. Now for me on my oboe, I'm having a lot of trouble keeping the G's up to pitch, so just an exercise that could help is long tones and really focusing on that taper. And just keeping the G from singing at the end of the decrescendo, so that comes in handy at the end. And the octave G for me is high, so just voicing it down and keeping those G's in tune is really tough. Now when you're playing this etude at full speed, there's no time to play super short staccatos, so when you're practicing slow, practice a legato tongue so that you're able to play it in time. This etude doesn't often come up for all states around the country, all state contests around the country, but when it does, something that can help you stand out is to not get stuck on the articulated notes. So if you're practicing this kind of note, that's really hard to keep those puffs at the full tempo. Instead, practice it legato, and that's more the airstream that you want when you go fast. That's it for this etude, Ferling number 6, pretty straightforward. If you are playing this etude, you should hit that thumbs up button below and let me know in the comments what you like about it, or if you're having trouble with it at a certain spot. I'd love to hear about it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, when in doubt, play beautifully.